Okay, by the way, you can see it's windy as hell, and I'm a little more prepared for the situation now. A little late, but it's alright. Just in case I gotta jump in the water again. Alright, so here we go, and we'll set the trailer back in for taking the boat out. Gotta go down to where that wheel is just sticking out. And you know what? I think my ramp is a little off kilter. I'm going to go down a little more, because what you're going to find is getting this thing out and getting the nose up over this is a challenge. Sometimes I got to lift it. It's not an easy task. So I'm going to go down a little bit more. Yeah, there we go. The wheels are completely covered. We'll see how that works. And it's going to be tough. As you can see, the boat's nice and clean. Maybe you'll leave it that way. Maybe you won't. Maybe you will. I'll have to wait and see. Okay. Neutral. Crank her up. Reverse. The only way you got any control is when you got it under power. Directional control. Okay, so getting this thing out of the water, gotta have it nice and calm. Pretty sure I'm gonna have to jump out. Dang up the nose. Okay, reverse. Nope, not gonna work. Don't drive this thing in weeds. You'll get weeds and crap up in the impeller. It sucks water up from underneath. So to stay in 3 to 4 foot depth water. That's what I'm talking about. Alright. So things still oh, that's good. Oh, that's good. Alright, flip this up. Crank her on. Standing in the water. Full of gas, so that's bad. Crap. Tell you what I'm gonna do. I'm not gonna be able to do this by myself, so I'm just gonna leave it right there. Lock it. See if I can pull it out that way. I want you to get it up on those rollers on the front with the help of somebody so we don't ding up the front. Yeah, it's on there. Alright, last thing you do after you get it out of the water, whoa, slipped. How'd that happen? Yeah, that's probably the way I had it. Is open the drain, plugs, let the water out. Kind of, I guess that water got in there when I cleaned the boat. It's unusual for it to have that much. And then neutral, start her up, expel the water out of the engine. Bingo bango. And just for informational purposes, I hope you don't ever have to deal with this. That is how you clear the impeller if you get something caught on it. I gotta make sure you know, these things unhook, and then you can take this here and then twist it. I don't know, I hope you don't have to do that. I haven't had that thing out in a while. It's gonna be a bear to deal with. And this thing, if for any reason the boat won't start, no action, means this button isn't depressed. That's not shut all the way. And then, so I let this drain out, and then I'll put the plugs in, because I have put it in the water and have forgotten the plugs were still open, and that was not good. So that's the episode with the boat for now.